Want to tell your moles from your melanomas using dermoscopy, even in primary care? You found the right channel to help you see the difference, literally. I've built a free video course that takes you from the basics of dermoscopy to advanced pattern recognition without drowning you in jargon. Plus, grab my free 34-page manual to guide you from Padawan to Dermoscopic Jedi. I've also got bite-sized YouTube shorts where you can test yourself on real cases, complete with my clinical reasoning on what's happening next. And when you're ready, take my exam to prove your skills. But first, you're going to need two things. A lightsaber. No, I mean a dermoscope. Learning dermoscopy without one is a bit like trying to defeat Darth Vader with just your eyebrows. Intimidating, but not very effective. Don't worry, I've got honest reviews and tips on picking the right one for your budget and how to use it. Mastery takes patience and lots of patience. The more skin you see, the sharper your eye becomes. This video shows you how to get more patience under your dermoscope. Hit subscribe, bring your curiosity, and let's get lightsabering together. Training a primary care dermoscopist for every general practice.